Goji berries, used in Chinese medicine for centuries, has recently been gaining a lot of attention in the West for its numerous health benefits. Some of these benefits include regulating blood sugar, boosting your energy, boosting your immune system, and skin improvement. The berry also is low-calorie and contains essential nutrients such as vitamin A, beta-carotene and iron. Consider 7 ways that this low-calorie, nutrient-rich berry can help you. 1. Regulates blood sugar. Goji berries contain complex carbohydrates, making them a blessing to those who suffer from diabetes. They help regulate the amount of sugar released into our blood. Goji berries fight diabetes naturally because they balance the glucose levels, preventing the highs and lows of blood sugar. 2. Battles cancer and builds up the immune system. One of the best ways to fight the common cold is by getting enough vitamin C. Goji berries provide high levels of both. They also contain powerful antioxidants which have been proven to fight harmful toxins as well as tumor growth. Flushes the excretory system. Cleansing has recently grown in popularity, thanks in part to goji berries. The Chinese see them as essential for the proper function of the liver and kidney. They have been used to treat kidney stones and cleanse the liver. 4. Boosts energy. Drinking goji berry juice not only improves digestion, but also gives us that extra kick of energy that we are often lacking. Finally, it's been shown to have a positive effect on our mood. 5. Provides essential nutrients. Goji berries contain higher levels of both beta-carotene, an iron that either carrots or spinach. They also contain zinc, riboflavin, and all of the essential amino acids, making them an important source for protein. 6. Promotes healthy eyes. Comparing them to carrots again, we find that, like their orange counterpart, goji berries also contain carotenoids. One of those carotenoids is called zeaxanthins. Its job is to protect the eyes from dangerous UV rays and free radicals. The antioxidants in goji berries are also necessary in the fight against age-related eye issues such as macular degeneration. 7. Improves the skin. Just like goji berries help protect our eyes against free radicals and damage caused from the sun, they also do the same for our skin. It's been proven that regular consumption of goji berry juice can provide extra protection for those who are susceptible to skin cancer, as well as other skin problems associated with damage from harmful UV rays. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.